Bloomberg has learned or has been told that Baidu is set to unveil a pair of glasses with a built-in AI assistant.
This might be the best look into the future of tech that I've ever seen.
Chuma has learned or has been told that Boo is set to unveil a pair of glasses with a built-in AI assistant. The AI wearables industry is exploding with innovation, and China has just made a bold move that's making waves in the tech world. BYU, the company often called China's Goo, has introduced the Shura AI glasses, a pair of smart glasses that could change the way we interact with AI in our daily lives. With their sleek design and surprising capabilities, these glasses might be the biggest challenger yet to Google's AI-powered eyewear and Meta's smart Ray-Ban glasses. But what exactly makes them special? At Boo World 2024, China's biggest AI company unveiled what might be the most practical and accessible smart glasses yet. The Shura AI glasses aren't just a futuristic concept, they are designed to seamlessly integrate into everyday life, making AI assistants more intuitive than ever before. While many companies have struggled to make smart glasses both useful and appealing, Boo seems to have struck the right balance, delivering a device that is lightweight, stylish, and packed with features that go beyond simple notifications or voice commands. At the core of these glasses is Boo Ernie AI, an advanced large language model that powers real-time voice interaction, object recognition, and instant translations. Unlike other AI glasses that require manual input or smartphone pairing, Shura AI glasses operate independently, making them one of the most self-sufficient AI wearables on the market. Users can simply ask a question, get instant insights, and interact with their surroundings without taking out their phones. Whether it's understanding foreign languages, reading signs and menus, or identifying unfamiliar objects, the glasses provide real-time, context-aware assistance, a feature that has traditionally been limited to phone-based AI assistants. Beyond AI-driven interactions, the Shura AI glasses also function as an advanced health and lifestyle tool, integrating seamlessly into daily routines. They track calorie intake, remind users to drink water, monitor posture, and provide general wellness insights. Unlike smartwatches, which require manual tracking or app syncing, these glasses passively collect and analyze user data, making them an effortless yet powerful addition to personal health management. The ability to scan food and provide calorie estimates in real time is a particularly standout feature, appealing to those who want a smarter approach to diet and fitness. Unlike previous AI breakthroughs from China, which focused heavily on software, Boo is now making a bold push into AI-powered hardware. So what does this mean for the future of AI in China, and how does it strengthen Boo's grip on its home market? For years, China's AI development has been dominated by software advancements, from chatbots to language models and search algorithms. But BYU is now making a decisive pivot into AI hardware, recognizing that the future of artificial intelligence isn't just about what's on a screen but how AI integrates into daily life. The Shura AI glasses are a prime example of this shift, moving beyond software to create a fully functional AI wearable designed to work seamlessly within China's digital landscape. Unlike Western smart glasses that rely heavily on external app ecosystems, Boo's approach is deeply rooted in its own digital infrastructure. These glasses are fully compatible with Boo Maps, allowing users to navigate Chinese cities without reaching for a phone. They also tap into Biki, China's answer to Wikipedia, delivering instant AI-generated insights on locations, landmarks, and cultural points of interest. This level of integration makes the Shura AI glasses more than just a gadget. They are a direct extension of China's AI-powered internet ecosystem, ensuring that users remain within Boo's digital universe. Beyond convenience, these glasses are also part of a larger strategic push to cement China's dominance in wearable AI technology. While the US has led the development of AI assistants through platforms like Google Assistant and Apple Siri, China is now carving out its own path by embedding AI into wearable, real-world applications. Boo's focus on localized, China-first AI services ensures that its products are not only practical but also essential to a tech-savvy population looking for seamless AI integration into everyday tasks. By prioritizing hardware that enhances AI-driven experiences, BYU is setting the stage for a new wave of AI wearables designed specifically for China's urban and digital landscape. The Shura AI glasses are just the beginning. But how do they stack up against Google's AI-powered wear? The battle between Boo's Shura AI glasses and Google's AI-powered eyewear is about two entirely different approaches to the future of smart wearables. While both companies are racing to make AI more intuitive and accessible, their visions for AI-enhanced eyewear couldn't be more different. Google's AI glasses are designed with immersive augmented reality in mind. Built on the Android XR platform, they integrate digital overlay into the real world, providing navigation assistance, real-time object recognition, and interactive visual cues. Imagine standing in a city and seeing floating arrows guiding you to your destination or restaurant ratings appearing next to signs in real time. This level of deep AR interaction makes Google's glasses feel futuristic, but it also means they require significant processing power and are best suited for early adopters and professionals looking for AR-based enhancements. Boo, on the other hand, has taken a more grounded, everyday approach. Instead of focusing on AR, Shura AI glasses prioritize practical AI assistance, translation, fitness tracking, and real-world interactions. Their strength lies in their ability to deliver information instantly without overwhelming users with digital overlays. Need a quick calorie count, a hydration reminder, or a voice-controlled AI assistant to answer questions? Boo's glasses handle it all without adding unnecessary complexity. One of Google's biggest advantages is its deep integration with the Google ecosystem. Users can seamlessly sync their glasses with Gmail, Google Assistant, Google Maps, and YouTube, making them a natural extension of the Google-powered digital lifestyle. BYU's glasses, however, are tailored to China's digital landscape, leveraging BYU Maps, Biki, and Ernie AI for localized insights. This difference means Google's glasses will appeal to a global audience, while Boo's are optimized for China's home market, where Google services are blocked. The biggest factor that sets them apart? Price. Google's AI glasses are expected to come with a premium price tag, making them accessible only to a niche market. In contrast, BYU's Shura AI glasses are priced at just $290, ensuring that AI-enhanced wearables are within reach for the average consumer. But beyond price and features, there's a bigger question at play. Why are US tech leaders and policymakers keeping such a close eye on Boo's latest innovation? Boo's recent advancements in AI hardware, particularly the unveiling of the Shura AI glasses, have captured significant attention in the United States. Traditionally, the AI hardware sector has been dominated by American tech giants such as Google, Meta, and Apple. However, Boo's foray into this space signals a shift that could challenge this long-standing dominance. As competition intensifies, it becomes increasingly important for both nations to consider collaborative frameworks that ensure the responsible and ethical advancement of AI technologies. The future of AI will be shaped by the decisions made today, and it is essential to approach these challenges with a strategic and forward-thinking mindset. The AI wearables industry is on the verge of transformation, and BYU's Shura AI glasses are just the beginning. With China's rapid advancements in artificial intelligence and hardware, more AI-powered smart glasses are expected to emerge, directly competing with Apple, Google, and Meta. The global AI race is accelerating, and these innovations are pushing Western tech companies to rethink their strategies and speed up development to stay ahead.